Hey ladies, what color filament should I buy?
How about green?
Like your monster hair?
White?
As white as your skin?
What about a baby pink?
You know, like your face all the time. How about pitch black?
Like your soul.
Okay. There's an easy way to fix this problem. And I'm going to show you how. Hey everybody, welcome back to E3 3D, where we make mistakes
So you don't have to.
For those of you that are new here, I'm Mike.
I'm Sierra.
And I'm Shaylin.
And today, I'm going to put an end to all this fighting and arguing over what colors and what types of filaments we should buy.
Glint blue.
Really? So I know how we're going to end this. I'm going to order a subscription box, calling the mail guy, and I want them to deliver me a box so we can get our filaments. We could use a box anytime, mailman.
Well, that got here speedy.
Like a turtle. So, we got our first subscription box from FilamentOne. We ordered it about a week and a half ago. We haven't opened it yet, so we're going to play with sharp objects. So, children, do not do this at home. Do you want to do this at home?
I was gonna say, I mean, that means you can't do it.
Oh, fine. There you go. Let's see what we got. Good thing I got a will.
Jesus.
Very important.
Jesus, take the knife.
Again, children, don't do this.
Don't worry, I've taught my kids how to use a knife.
Yay!
All right, let me put this away before you hurt yourself or me. All right, so. All right, I'll let you open it. I want to see what's in it. So, this is our first box, and I'm taking the Stroop waffle.
But I didn't.
I was gonna call it.
Yep.
It's a toothbrush!
For metal. For robots. No, don't.
Gotta make it shine.
No. All right, so. Uh-oh. Okay, so we got some new filaments today. Yes, you got your glint.
Yay!
All right, so this is the January 2021 box. Thank God we're out of 2020. All right, so let's pull them out. Let's look to see. I can read what they are here, but I don't know what this stands for, and I want to see this.
It's a glint gray!
I'm excited to see how that turns out.
Don't we love fresh filament in the mornings?
All right, so we got a PLA Pro Select Glint Gray, and we're going to get some good close-up pictures for you on this because this looks awesome. I don't know what I want to do with it. I got it. It's black. That's the color you wanted, like your soul. There you go. Merry Christmas.
Hey!
So now we're going to slide that to the imaginary person over there, and they're going to cut it open for us. All right, so we got another sticker for Ultistick, and I am seriously going to start looking into this because I want to see what it does.
So, the PLA upfill that is new.
Okay.
What colors do you guys guess?
So let's read what upfill is because I don't know what upfill is. So it tells us right here, upfill stands for upcycled filament and is part of a FilamentOne's commitment for sustainable 3D printing and green resources for the upcoming years. Okay, so we've got a recycled filament here. Upfill, recycled. Recycled. I don't know. We could go clear like a water bottle. We could go green like grass green.
Yeah.
Yes.
You said trash.
What color?
Yellow,
Yellow.
Yellow.
purple? You both are wrong and you should have gone with green.
Green! I said green.
See, I was gonna say green.
Yeah, sure.
Because it's like, green, good for the environment.
Okay, so looking at this, the glint's going to print at about a 205 to 225 with a low bed temp 55 to 65, and this new upfill is going to be a 195 to 215. So this is really awesome. I did not know I could buy recycled filament. And then we've got the wire toothbrush style nozzle cleaner. All right, so here I'm gonna give you a piece of advice with this. All right, so this is a nozzle cleaner, is what they've got it as, a nozzle cleaner. If you're going to clean your nozzles, don't do it while it's on, because if you accidentally hit the wires to your hot end, could short. So please, common sense, turn off all your stuff before you do any maintenance on it. But this is all, I've been needing one of these for a while. All right, so anyways, all right, and then we got a group project which comes with this. We don't know what that is yet, but I will jump on there, see what it's like, and then maybe we'll tell you about it, or maybe we'll keep it a secret so you can become a subscription box member.
Premium subscription box. Aww.
Recycled stuff or upcycled. I don't know the difference between recycle and upcycle. Sorry, forgive me. I'll figure it out eventually. But that green, what could we use that for?
Grass.
We could use it for grass.
I'm thinking that Baby Yoda print we got back there.
Baby Yoda print that we got back there.
That is perfect green.
Oh, this right here is a
Darth Maul Yoda.
by a artist named David Chambers. So he designed this and then sent it out to us to test print, and it looks awesome. And I'll link the website below for anyone that's interested in something like this. But I am very curious how that prints. I've never dealt with a recycled or upcycled filament before, so that's going to be really awesome. What about this? What are you thinking about this? What's your initial impression of this?
Oh, I don't know. Like, I'm just thinking rocks, to be honest.
Glittery rocks. Oh my God. I bought a 3D printer so we could change the world. And what do I have?
Rocks.
20 benchies, 3 hammers, and everything else that isn't saving the world. But damn it, we'll have rocks.
Mm-hmm. They're important, you know.
All right, so what's it feel like? Okay, so this feels just like the mat, if you remember the mat from our last PROFI box that we tested out. That PROFI box is the reason why we became subscription members, because it turned out really nice. Keep in mind, these are both PLAs, and we've got the PLA.
Doesn't say.
Oh, you couldn't think of the word Grey Glint?
No.
And what's the other color we got?
We got the green upfill.
Which is?
Recycled materials put
All right.
together.
So come back for the next video. You'll get to see how these things turn out. Get out there, get your subscription box for January before it's too late. Click the link below. That'll send you straight to where these subscription boxes are, and you can get your own subscription box so you don't have to watch me open mine, and you can open your own and be as excited as we are without the knives and the kids accidentally going to stab you. So happy printing. Cheers.